gonna show you how to set up the time. So once you click, it shows the time button, it's gonna open that compartment right here. And it's gonna go, for example, right now it's 1 p.m. Okay, and then click. That should be fine. Should do it. That's it about setting the time. Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick review how JURA or JURA Impressa C9 is working. So I'm gonna start that, and I'm gonna start the button over here for starting, on and off. So it's gonna show heating. I'm just gonna do the process of heating and cleaning first. It's gonna take probably 30 seconds heating, and then it's gonna rinse. I'll show you overall how the machine looks like. It's a pretty good design. There's the water reservoir. Then so the options right here. This is a filter. And then so now press rinse. We'll have to press rinse right here. That shows us when I press rinse. It's gonna start freezing. It's clearing the machine. So the process of freezing is ready. It's finished. And now it's ready. And now we're gonna click. I'm gonna get a cup for coffee, and then I'm gonna continue the video. And now we're gonna continue the video. As soon as we clean the machine, I'm gonna click the button over here. So it depends on the setting, you know, strong, medium, normal. And we're gonna see how it's that brewing the machine. It's gonna show us the product after that. They're pretty simple at the same time, producing great coffee, honestly. So let's see actually the heat. There we go. The setting is for double espresso, so I have it for a bit longer coffee than for a single one. See it. It's a great espresso, honestly. It's great. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow, you can subscribe for more videos like that. We're gonna do a lot of coffee machines and stuff like that. Thank you.